That's a car outside. Sorry, I kept the door open.
Oh, okay.
The morning fresh air, I really like it.
Oh, okay.
We have been working on the same image file for 4 days back to back.
Yeah, I think so.
I've been renaming the file and uploading them.
Yeah.
A lot of items to check out there. I uploaded the image file as well. Did you see that? That I did yesterday. Just a small one. I can't upload the video right away because it takes around close to an hour, sometimes more than that, to encode the video. Only then you will get the.
Much.
Yeah, I mean, when you close the meeting, exit the meeting, a pop-up comes up and it shows the time left to encode the video. It takes usually an hour or something. That's why first time, you remember, we had only audio and no video there. You know why? Because I shut down my machine and I stopped the encoding in process unknowingly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why I can't do that right away. So our session ended up at 9 o'clock. Then I went in to cook something, yeah. I mean, I couldn't cook it before. I had gone out to get some vegetables and did some shopping. But back in Bangalore, I'm all alone. I mean, like family's all over there at my hometown, so.
Yeah. So you're just by yourself, living in Bangalore, and
no. My family, my family was here. But I got 2 small kids, and the kids have a little problem adjusting here in Bangalore. And my parents are a little old. I mean, little too old, and my father wanted to be with my kids for some more time, so I decided,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
He just had, he didn't ask me directly. He told my mom, and like mom said, they would really appreciate if the kids are there for some more time. Then I thought, at least I should do that, right? I mean, I miss them, but I thought, okay.
Yeah.
So I first sent my first kid, then my wife said, she can't stay away from the kid for at least for some more time. Then she said, like, okay, then you two go, and they've been there for 3 months now. I mean, like I thought.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's difficult. It's difficult. I mean, after once you stop your bachelor life, and then you at some point of time you stop cooking too.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys are a little lazy about that sometimes.
You already, a lot of guys didn't cook. But you can cook, it's not lazy.
But, we do cook, especially on our school day, I mean, like college days when you stay out from family, So we do that. But anyway, next month they're coming back. I don't know how long they will stay, Okay, that's a little thing. Okay, so enough of personal stuff. We will get to that later. All right. So we had experimented with the action controls.
Yeah. Yes.
And we saw how to change the title, saw how to change the access selectors using document property.
Yes.
We can also do something on data limiting. Did you see data limiting using document property? To look like something like this. You have a you're able to see my visualization, right?
Yes.
I mean, sorry, my screen, right? I mean.
Yeah.
All right. Imagine you have a bar chart, and on this bar chart you have. Let me show on this bar chart, on the properties of this bar chart. You're data limited. That on the data tab, you remember?
Yeah, the property.
Yeah, data tab, and say limit data using expression. Remember seeing that?
Yeah, remember.
Okay, and over there I'm saying, suppose I've created a drop down list with unique values. I'm gonna say data limit property. Data limit. Okay, this is my name of the property. I mean, oops. Okay, it's a little too big. Let me see. Drop down. Okay, much better. And what I've selected is unique values in column. Unique values in column, that's what I've selected here. And it's coming from column category. Okay, and here I say category equal to remember seeing this? We have done this before. Do you remember that?
Yeah. Yeah, remember.
Okay, so this is the data limiting using property.
Data limiting.
Property. Or you can say dynamic data limiting. You know, as you change the property control, the data limiting value also gets changed, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dynamic.
So right here. Okay, you said about bookmarks, I mean, yesterday, and I said we'll look at it today. So let's see bookmarks today. So I'm gonna show you how you do the bookmarks. I'll make you the presenter.
Okay. Can you see?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah. Why don't you add a text area? Oh, you already have a text area. Good. Good. I mean the middle one. I didn't see that. Sorry. Go to the edit mode.
Oh.
Go to the edit mode.
Edit mode. Okay.
No. Okay. Sorry. Before that, let's create some bookmarks.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. So. Yeah. Oh wow. You figured it out. Good.
Before I just
Okay.
cover that and see.
All right. You know, whenever you click on that, you can type in something there. Somebody give a name for the
Type?
bookmark. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Perfect.
I don't know what to type.
Perfect. Yeah. Whatever. You know, just say right. And do you see a drop down, tiny drop down next to that? When you go ahead and click that.
Yeah. Add a bookmark.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Have you add that? See? All right. Now, do you see a drop down next to that? Do you drop? Yeah, that's one. The other one. Yeah. Now, see that it's by default private, which means when you publish this dashboard to server, only you will be able to see access this bookmark. Nobody else would be able to do that.
Oh.
But when you're collaborating,
Okay.
you capture some visual, you capture some, you know, scenario wherein you identified some issue in the business, looking at the data, that you want to share that with others. Making it private is not going to help. So what will you do?
Public.
Make it public. Yeah, that's true.
Just.
Yeah, just make it public. See, then the icon change from that one single person icon next to your bookmark name. There are now multiple heads coming up. See that? Make it public back again, private back again. See, and see the icon change.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see
can
that?
change.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you know,
Wait,
do you see the do you see the icon changing there on the bookmark drop down?
Yeah, this one.
Multiple
This
heads
one.
there. Yeah, yeah. That's
Right.
one. That's the one. Yeah, that shows that
Yeah,
you know it's
but-
public.
Yeah, but how can people get access to this? I mean,
we'll get there.
Is
We'll
that
get there.
happens in the server?
No, we'll get there.
Oh,
We'll get
okay.
there. Okay. Okay. So now you made it public. Now, just because you've done that, people will have to go out there and right click on it and say apply, which is not what you want. You want to make it a little more easy for them to do it. So the way you do that is go to text area, add a link or a button and associate that with the bookmark. Right click on that.
Add a link.
No. Action control. You remember seeing bookmarks in the action control yesterday? That's when you asked me.
Well, the link.
Link or a button, whichever you want. Say my bookmark or give some title,
My bookmark. Okay.
Expand the available actions to bookmarks.
Oh, this one.
Okay. Now you know the drill.
Oh.
Hold on.
Bookmark means this page.
Yeah, I mean whatever is there in this page is now captured in the bookmark. Now why don't you just go around and play with the filters, uncheck a lot of them, and move things around, and then you click the bookmark after that.
What do you mean?
I meant play around with the filters on this page. Change some marking. Now once you're done with your playing, you can go back and click your bookmark. Everything will be set back.
Oh. Okay.
Right?
Go back to this. Okay.
Okay, this is what the image ID captured. Usually you do that when the business stakeholder drills down into data and finds something interesting, and now he wants to share it with others, so that he doesn't want to describe verbally what he has done, everything, like what all filters it has clicked or what all marking it is done. It is very tedious. So what he does is he captures the bookmark, makes it public, and puts a link in a text area and sends an email to people saying that, hey, worry, look at the bookmark we have created. Click on it and you'll see some interesting observation there. Make sense?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Now, the advantage of having bookmark is that you can have a general bookmark. This have some special bookmarks where you capture only the filter organization, or you capture only the page ordering, or filter settings, those things. So why don't you go ahead and click the bookmark again? Bookmark button again, and instead of adding book, type in something, or you don't have to type in anything. Just click on the drop down that you see there. Not that, the one on the top. Yeah, that's right. See, add special bookmark.
Add a bookmark.
Add bookmarks a general option. Add special bookmark. You can add these things. You can say capture. You can uncheck or deselect all of them. See that? And you can capture only the marking settings here, only the property values there, or only the filter settings there, or you can set the active visualization, or you can set the active page. If you set the active page and click on the bookmark, add the bookmark, and then you go to another page and click the bookmark button there, you will go to the active page, will go back to your the focus will go to the original page on which you capture the bookmark.
Oh, okay.
On page layout and visualizations, if you move some pages around, that will be reset. If you delete some pages, it will not come back. But if you move some pages around or visualizations around, then that can be reset by using that page layout and visualization bookmark. But you just experiment with them. Select one of them, give a name, and add a bookmark. Just say maybe filter settings, or page layout and visualize, just page layout and visualization, or whichever you want. Feel free to experiment.
Page reach. the
No, we're talking about page layout, right? Which one did you set? Did you set page layout?
page. Yeah, no, active page and active visualization.
Oh, and then you click on some other page rather than page 7. Say click on page 3.
What's that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't matter whichever you
and
want. Then you go to the bookmark. You don't have to create a bookmark, add the link. I mean, right click on the bookmark and click apply.
I can just click this.
Right click, apply.
Apply.
See?
Oh.
The focus now came back. I mean, this is a shortcut. You don't know if you don't want to add that bookmark to the text area. You know, people are lazy. I mean, yeah, understand that. That's why Tibco has given it that way. And especially if you want to access it only from the tool, Spotfire desktop tool. But if you want to access it from web player, then you'll have to add it as a text area.
Oh, okay. Active page, active visualization. Oh.
Then you can rename them or update
what is all these means?
Because you have not enabled them. See, why don't you add a new bookmark with
this one will have
yeah, you have bookmark because you have enabled all of them for the 8.16. Remember doing that? Now this is general bookmark which has got all the settings available. You know, instead of adding a general bookmark, why don't you add a special bookmark so that you can find out what are they, each one of them.
Yeah.
Filter settings, yeah, okay, filter settings. Set all filters, yeah. Click on set all filters.
What is?
Okay, now you have a new bookmark there. Now why don't you uncheck something on the filters? No, don't change the marking. You know, marking is not going to be, oh, did you change the marking now? Don't change the marking because I want to show you that the marking is not affected when you apply that special bookmark. All right, okay. Now why don't you go ahead and uncheck something from there on the filter panel. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, okay. Now why don't you apply the new bookmark that you have created?
This one.
Yeah. Right click on it. Just right click on it. Apply. See? The marking did not change. Only the filters got reset.
Yeah. Or what is the bookmark? Special bookmark?
Special bookmark is you're capturing only a little portion of the general bookmark. General bookmark has got a lot of features, whereas special
whole page.
Yeah, whole page, layout, active visualization,
Like,
everything gets reset. Here we can fine tune things if you want.
Here.
Yeah, if you can fine tune things and set the filter settings or filter organization, you know, those things. Filter organization is you can reorder filters. Why don't you right click on the, I'll show you something. You capture, did you capture? Can you create
I click on filter organization.
Why don't you create a new book? No. What I'm saying? You know what? Why don't you create a new special bookmark which captures just the filter? No. That you just created a general bookmark. All right.
Delete.
No. Okay, no problem. You can delete that. Click on the drop down and then add a special bookmark. Yeah. See that? And then just set filter organization. Deselect everything and only check filter organization. Okay.
Filter.
All right. Okay. Well enough. Now we are going to reorder the filters. Okay.
What is?
Hold on. We are going to reorder the filters right now. Right click on the filter panel.
Right click on.
I mean, right click on any other filters. Organize filters. Organize.
What is this?
Okay. Now department comes before region. Why don't you click on region and make it move up?
Right click the region?
No, just click on region and click the move up button. That's right. Okay, click OK.
What is move up, move down? Oh, like this. What's the matter? I didn't know the order that matters. What's the order?
It doesn't really matter. You can set the order whichever way you want. You know, you can hide some of the filters there. See the checkbox there? You can uncheck so that those filters don't show up. Why? You always get bothered about all those actual and budget. Why don't you uncheck this actual and budget? Now is a good time to uncheck actual, budget, and gap and test. No, that. Towards the middle. No, that. Even. Yeah, that's wrong. Budget, actual, budget, and gap. And test.
What is the difference of these two?
I don't know. I mean, like, there's some extra columns and that's some odd data. So I don't want you to be confused about it. That's why I said, So when you click and drag something, you don't want to see all that. Okay, click OK. Now you have, why don't you right click on, now if you are going to, all right, why don't you move change the order there again. Pull category or department to the top. Right click on the filter, go to organize filters and change the order there.
Track this?
No.
What do you mean?
Change, pull category and department to the top. No. Check them. What I'm saying is move change the order, make them to the top. Get them to the top there.
How to change the order?
Move up and move down. Yeah. Okay, that should be fine. Click OK. Now, yeah, you know what to do. Right click on it. Just right click and applies.
Right click. Yes.
Apply. See?
Yeah.
So that's bookmarks. See, you had unchecked it initially and now it's come back. Okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh. Okay, I see.
All right.
I can update the bookmark. Okay.
You can also update it.
I can make some edit.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
All right. And changing the presenter. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we are done with bookmarks. Now, did we look at all these things, cross tables, graphical tables? If not, I will do that right now. See, I'm gonna add a cross table here. Cross table equivalent of pivot chart in Excel.
A cross table is the same as pivot table.
In Excel, yeah.
Pivot chart.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, not pivot chart, pivot table. Sorry. See that? Three axis selectors. I'm going to hide the legend. See that? You can change them anytime that you want. Or you can pull category over here. See?
What did you do?
I just pulled category from here to here.
Oh, you can pour that.
Or I can do it this way. Now this is
Okay.
actual spend. Now it will have both actual spend and budgeted spend. And this is too big, so I'm going to make them change value. See that? And I'm going to say this is as see that? Custom expression there.
Yeah. You typed.
Yeah, just for you to see what that is. Yeah. See? See this column name coming here automatically when you, that shows whatever column, you know, we have not picked any value there in column there. So whatever column is appearing here, that should be the one that is showing, you know, that's what it says, column names. See that? So now you have budget, actual. And
Hello?
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 Can you repeat? I think I didn't get that. The signal is bad. I didn't hear your voice.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I'll say that again.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. I'll say that again.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, I can hear now.
All right. Do you see the column names here?
Yeah.
Oops. Not the best color. All right, this one. Now what it says is whatever columns is appearing over here, that should be the one that is showing here. See this?
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now if I remove that, this will not work. See, with multiple cell value columns. When you have multiple cell value columns, column names have to be selected on the, see you have multiple cell values here. These are the cell values. So I'm going to click Control S to undo it. Yeah. I just clicked Control S.
What is the error? I don't understand.
What is there? What?
What is the error? It just happened. I mean, there's no data.
Oh, you know, look at this. I'm going to remove the control column names from here. It says with multiple cell value columns, which is showing up here. This is the cell value column.
Okay.
Okay. Column names have to be selected on the horizontal or the vertical axis. When you have multiple values here, either column names have to be selected on this or on this. See this column names?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
This is what the cell value is. This is what comes over here. See, budget, actual, gap.
Oh, the X and the Y axis is all come from the bottom columns.
Yeah. Whatever shows up in the cell value. See, this is the cell value there. See this? And you can make them color coded. See this? Guru properties. Make to Guru. Yeah. Guru colors. See, now all values which are less than 0 shows up in red.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna switch the present and let watch you do that.
Add a cross table. Department.
Actual spent.
Yes.
No, you picked count. I don't want count. I want to show sum. See that? It's not count of actual sum that I want. I want sum of actual sum.
Okay.
Click on it.
Okay.
No, click on it. Click on that. Right. No. Click on that drop down. Yeah. See that? Drop. No. Yeah. Click on it. Do you see that right? On the right, you have aggregation. Instead of count, pick sum there.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now I want other one to add gap. Yeah. But I'm not able to read that. See? Why don't you drag region onto the y-axis next to department? Yeah. Good. But I appreciate if you keep the column names short. So instead of budgeted spend, just say budget, actual, and gap. How do you do that? No. Right click on the cell value axis, bottom axis. Right click on the bottom axis. Bottom. Right click on the bottom axis. Custom expression. Then you give alias for each cell value using the keyword as.
What? What to do here? Oh, this.
Do you see that? As.
Copy this one?
No, I wanted to type it out. Why don't you copy the text that I've pinged onto a notepad and then find out what I've done there.
Oh, this is a change of name.
Yeah, that's what I've been asking you.
Oh,
Because
sorry.
And there is no space between as and the column name.
Okay.
See, see, you didn't put a space there. You need space. You need space between the column name and as. Before as, see that? Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Same for the second one too. Yes.
There's no function to do this.
Oh, not everything is that easy. I mean, you'll have to work sometimes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
This is change.
Make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
And
How to change? I forgot.
color?
No, just change the name. Where's the?
I mean, it's on
Change
the
the title.
it's on the bottom axis. Right clicking on the bottom axis. Bottom, yeah. Custom expression.
Oh, customer expression. Oh, okay.
Okay. Now you can right click on the visualization to change set the colors to red when it is negative.
A color. I don't know how to change the color. How to change the color?
Properties. Colors tab. Click on add rule. Click on add rule. Add rule. Add rule. No, not that. Add rule.
Add the rule.
Yeah, that's right.
Add rule.
And make it less than 0. Less than 0. Click on that. Yes. Less than 0. Okay. Click OK.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. You click close.
Oh. If I click at this column, it only shows this column. I mean, only make the change to this column.
No.
Right?
No. You have not specified for just for that column.
No?
No, it applies for all of them. See, you don't have any negative values in budget or actual. How could you have negative values for budget? And how could we have negative values for actual? Right?
Yep.
All right. But I like your observation. You're trying to figure things out. This is the way you learn. Everybody does that. I hope it has been much more easy and informative for you to learn it this way rather than me just sitting here and lecturing things. I don't like.
Yeah, I like this way much better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You all hate.
Yeah.
What?
Where's the department? Where's the department? I mean, they're much more. When did I delete the department?
Department is still there. See that IT and operations. See IT and operations.
I mean, there's a lot of department like finance and.
That is because you had deleted them yesterday. Remember that? You'll have to reload the data.
Oh, we deleted at the here.
No.
Here.
What, you remember deleting all those marked records yesterday? Reload the data, then you'll get them all.
Oh, I have reloaded the data like here.
Reload click on the reload button.
Oh, reload. Okay. Oh, nice.
Does that look good?
Yes.
All right.
So pivot table is just for visualization, right? I heard a lot like Excel pivot table, but I just don't know what's the use
What? Sorry?
for the pivot table. Seems pivot table is very useful, but seems like it's what is that for?
See, I mean,
Like,
you get to see grouping there. You see, group the data by region, and you can
Okay.
right click on it. Right click on the visualization.
Okay. This one? This one?
Yeah, right, select grand total for columns. No, not that. Select grand total for columns. See that? Top, fourth one.
Oh, grand total. What is this?
Now, if you scroll down,
Yeah. Oh. Grand total.
okay. Now you have grand total for columns. Now right click again on the visualization. Now select grand total for rows.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then subtotal for columns. See, you get subtotal for everything.
Oh, okay. Wow.
This is very useful in financial data analysis, wherein
Very
you
useful. Yes.
when you look at region, and you have for budget on EN Central you have 640 million for budgeted for the EN Central region across all departments.
Yeah.
And why don't you make the titles a little smaller? Grand total is a too big a title, so we can always make it a little shorter, or you can make some space for that. Now click and drag on it. Hide the legend. Hide the legend. See? Why don't you right click on the visualization, go to the properties, let's see whether you can change the title from there for grand total. Go to properties, go to properties. We have column subtotals, click on that. Column subtotals menu.
Yeah.
Okay. No, we can't. We're not able to change that. Okay. You'll have to. Yeah, we are stuck with the the grand total of budget, grand total of actual. But still, you have something there. Oh, you can do one thing. You can click and drag to the bottom. Yeah, click and drag downwards.
How?
Let me change my I'm gonna press in now. All right, grand total for columns, grand total for rows, and grand subtotal for all. Okay. Now see that? See that?
Oh, okay. Let me try. Okay, yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah, that looks good. Too small.
Now this is why it is so important. And in Excel too, you use this for a lot of analysis there.
Oh.
And you can say from one look at it, like you can say All right.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I'm changing back. So you've seen cross tables. Did we see pie charts?
No, we didn't.
Okay. Save Spotfire periodically because it might crash anytime. See, I just inserted a pie chart there. And I'm showing, so you can click and drag this to make a little room there. So I'm showing the budgeted spend. I'm going to duplicate the visualization. Here I'm going to show the actual spend. See? Whereas making the gap does not make any sense here because the negative values cannot be shown as area. Whereas it can be shown as a bar chart.
Yeah, that would.
Does that make sense? You know, see, when I add bar chart, you can show the negative values as down under the bar, whereas you cannot do the same thing with a pie chart. You know, negative values cannot be shown in a pie chart.
Pie chart seems like has more limitation.
Yeah, too much of a limitation, and you don't want a pie chart because
you said the best practice.
Yeah, best practice. You know, as per best practice, you not be using pie charts.
Yeah.
But I just want to show because that's part of the tool, so I need to walk you through that.
Okay.
Okay. Now that's pie chart, and here is your sector size and color by. You can do that. See, I mean, it's very tough to identify even with the labels. I mean, you have to look at the labels. I mean, whereas look at this one, beautiful.
Yeah.
How hard can this get? Let me make it horizontal. Things looks much better. See, nothing can beat that. And if you want to look at some threshold values, you can say add some lines there. See? So now you have a horizontal there, which says it's the average value.
This is the average?
Yeah. See, because I have picked the average calculation there. You can add your own calculation if you want. See this horizontal line. You can curve draw, straight line fit, polynomial, power. I mean, there's a lot of things we can do there. See?
You can make a regression line here.
Yeah, obviously. Okay.
Mm.
So that's pie chart. We have seen line chart, right? Recently.
Yeah, when we add the hierarchy.
No, that is date hierarchy. Yeah.
Yeah, data.
Otherwise too. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Okay. You've seen that. We have seen normal tables.
Yes.
Next we look
What
at.
is graphical?
That's next. See this graphical table there. This looks just like a um cross table. Only thing that you can create little spark lines there. See that axis. See that. So showing budgeted spenders date sum. This is how you add things. See, calculated value icon, bullet graph. All right, I want to let you do that. Go to properties.
Properties. Edit.
Click on axis. Click on axis.
Add.
Calculated value. Okay, click on close. All right. Okay. Click close. Click close now again. See, the title shows calculated value. You want to say something about it, right? So go back. Go to.
What's the rule?
We can add rules. I mean, we'll get there. We'll get there. Hold on. We'll first change the title. Go to properties.
Okay.
Go to access. Double click on the calculated value. Double click on the calculated value. Double click on the calculated value. Calculated value. Double click on it. Type in something there. I mean, like budget. Say budget. Just say budget. All right. Click close. See, your title has updated now. Don't close, click and drag it. Click, move it out of your view. All right. Okay. Now double click on the spark line. Double click on the spark line.
Spark line. Okay.
Go to access.
Change the name.
Yeah. What's this? What's that? It says budgeted versus date. So it's a small line chart showing within the chart.
Okay.
So for R&D, how is it going? So go to general. Go to general tab and change the name to budget. All right, that should do. Okay, click close. Add an icon. Add an icon. Okay, and go to change the calculator icon as calculator value as calculate using gap, budget, sub budget, actual gap. Yeah, and all right, click close. And change the rule. Click that pencil icon. No. Go back again. Go back. Double click. Okay. Click the pencil icon. Pencil. If it's less than 0, make it look red. 0. Make it red. And change the down arrow, down arrow. Oh, I mean the other one, the colored arrow.
Okay.
Fill, yeah, okay. Click close. And if it is positive, make it green. Double click on the icon. No, not a new icon. Close that. Double click on the icon or the original icon that you had. Remove the icon that you added right now.
Can I delete it?
Yeah, remove it. Click on it. Yeah, remove. Okay, double click on that icon. Add another rule there. Go to action. Go to icons. Go to icons. Icon. Add another rule there. And if the number is greater than 0, make it green and look up. Okay, and for all the visualizations you can add some actions there, not just for this one but for anything. Double click on the icon for now. No, not here. Double click on the icon. Yeah, actions, click settings. And you can say browse to a particular page there. Pages or expand the pages and visualizations. Yeah, expand the pages and visualization. I mean, you can trigger an action from there. If you write a function or yeah, that's right.
Oh.
No, not that. I mean, why don't you check? Why don't you link that to the page so that when you click on that icon, it will go to another page. Expand that. Expand. Okay. Click on something. All right. Now you have already navigated to. You have already selected navigate to page 2. Fine. All right. Click OK. Click OK. Okay. Close. Close. All right. Now click again. Click on that icon. It will go to page 2. Click on it. Come on.
Okay.
All right. Then go to properties for the graphical table again. All right. When you're done playing with that, go to the properties of the graphical table. Right click on the graphical table. Go to properties. Yeah. Access. Add. Bullet graph. And add to, okay, we have, change the second one to, keep that in view. I mean, move it away from the, move it to a side so that you can still see the bullet graph shaping up. Okay. Much better. Okay, right. Now, change from actual budget gap to actual. Second one, calculate comparative values. First one is budget, second one is actual spend. Now change the color from change budget to green and actual to red. No, other way around. Actual to red. Down to green. That's not the green that I had in mind. That's not the red I had in mind. You picked magenta. Yeah, okay. You see that? Now that's a bullet graph that shows you a comparison from the with the actual budget versus budgeted versus actual. How much was the budgeted and where is the actual lying? See, for marketing it lies outside, which shows that overshot. Marketing and HR overshot the budget, whereas IT and finance remain within budget and operations remain well behind budget. R&D just met the budget.
Yeah. Oh, it means that.
Sorry?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay.
But do you need any like note like to notice the red means actual, or is just a general rule?
You can add a
Everyone knows?
description. You can add a description. Go to the general tab and add a description if you want. But usually, you know, click close. Click on the legend that you see there. Legend. No, there's nothing that you.
Yeah.
Well, you'll have to add a description anyway then.
Okay.
If you want, you know. I don't really see the point there. I mean, you know.
Okay.
Okay, red is usually, you know, interpreted as something that is crossing the limits. I mean, change the title of the bullet graph as budget versus actual. Click on access. Double click on the bullet graph. Go to Go to general tab. General. And change it as budgeted versus actual, or budget versus actual. Oh, just see VS in small. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I mean S is L. Okay, S should be small. Okay. Okay, click close. All right. So that'll be for today.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hope your journey has been good so far. Enjoyable.
Yep.
Okay, I like to hear that. All right. See you tomorrow, same time.
Okay. Okay. Tomorrow, at least. Okay.
Same time.
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
All right. Bye.
Okay. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.